Winter sowing begins in Hangzhou. After harvesting rice, it's time to fertilize. There are rotary tillers working the land. Harvesters, rotary tillers, drones, a high degree of mechanization. We are also ready to spread fertilizer with our drones. Settings out with the electric tricycle. First, we take off and mark the area. Time to add the fertilizer. Today, we race spreading compound fertilizers. The drone is added, spreading fertilizer. Get the generator going for a quick recharge. After fertilizing, the drone lands smoothly.